Good morning, you guys. Happy Wednesday. Happy Wednesday, you guys. Today it's Wednesday. It's another day to make money, you guys. It's another day to make money. And it's 7:50 right now. And I have my first order, which is $24, a shopping order. And I'm shopping for 14 items, you guys. 14 items, and it's going for Mayo. And almost done. I only have like two more to shop, and I am done. So let's go, you guys. Let's go. Okay, so this place have a gate. Let me go check if she gave me a code to put here. There we go. She said delivered all the way at the front door. So let's go, y'all. Go with me so I don't be scared to hear. Oh, that's the house. It's not scary. So I guess I have to go this way because she said leave it at the front door. Okay, which is front door over there. So we're gonna figure it out together. There we go. Beautiful. Just received my second order of the day, you guys. It's a shopping order. I'm going to shop for two people. $25, going 9.5 miles, and I'm shopping for one person has 4 items and the other person has 4 items. So that's easy one, huh? Okay, this is A, this is B here, and I put this one to separate them so they don't mix together. So, and I'm here to deliver this one, A, and they told me to scan one of the items, so I scan it, and right now it's time to go deliver it. Time to go deliver it. What I thought. Sure. Yeah. For my second drop off, I have to go 12 minutes. 12 minutes, y'all. So let's go. Okay, I'm delivering at school. So I think I need to $16, you guys, going 3.7 miles, and it's a shopping order. I am going to shop for 12 items, you guys. 12 items. I'm delivering at the business, you guys, so I want to see how I can take all this in one trip, because it's a huge building and inside it has like different businesses. So I'm gonna try to see how I can take this at once. Okay, I'm trying to open the door, but it's still closed. And let me give them a call. Let me call them. Guys, I just received another order. $17 going it's going 6 miles, and I have 2 drop-off. Only 2 drop-off. This one and this one. So this one they put in a trunk, and this one they put it on back seat. So I'm going to go ahead and scan this one. Let's go scan it. Okay, I'm here for my first drop-off, yeah. First drop-off. second drop off. Yeah, he came to get his stuff. Came to get his items. So let's go back and get some orders. Just got another order, you guys. $11. I'm going to shop for 3 items. 3 items, and it's going to Mayo. So why not? Why not? Let's go. Yo, I just pulled my chair down, ready to relax, ready to take like 5-minute relaxation. But guess what? I just received an order. You guys. I don't know what to say. Sometimes you've been needing like a 10-minute break, 15-minute break, like to just relax and put your mind together. I'm not complaining that I'm getting orders. I'm just saying like I need a 15-minute break before they give me another order. So they just give me another order, yo. I just pulled my chair like this, saying like, okay, let me relax for 15 minutes, and boom, the order hit. Ooh, it's a shopping order. I think I've been shopping, y'all. So sometimes it gets tiring, you know. It gets tiring. I think I'm tired. I am no more in the mood to shop for the rest of the day. Like, can they just give me like a curbside order that's over $30 or $20 at least? Gosh. So $21 is going 70 miles, and it's a shopping order. So let me relax for at least 5 minutes, and I'm gonna go shop this order because I need to take a break, y'all. I need to take a break. All right, yeah. $15 is going for Mayo. The shopping order. It's a shopping order. As soon as I finish the other one, boom, they gave me another one. And I'm going to shop for 9 items. So, all done. So I have a cart check. So I'm waiting for them to come check my cart. Okay, we're here. So I'm gonna need a ID check for this one. So just received another order, you guys. $16 going for Mayo, and I'm going to shop 13 items. 13 items. Received an order, you guys. To be honest, I don't remember how much it is, and there's no way I can go check once I already start the order because the shopping order. So I'm thinking it was $15, $14, $13. I don't know, but I know how many miles I'm going. I think I'm going 2 miles. So it was a shopping order, and I'm done shopping everything. So right now I'm heading out. I am going outside, and right now it's 4 o'clock. Right now it's 4 o'clock, y'all. So I have 2 more hours to work. I'ma fight for these 2 hours so I can get at least $40, because I am $40 away from my 200. So let's see if we're going to make it. We got another order, you guys. $24 a shopping order, and it's going to shop for 2 people, you guys. One person is 3 items, the other person is 5 items, and all the miles together I'm going 5.9 miles. So let's go shopping, you guys. Let's go shopping. And if I add this order to my total, we're gonna be on 184, y'all. 184. So $16 more, you guys. And right now, let me check what time is it, y'all. Let me see what time is it. So that means I am definitely gonna reach my goal today. Definitely gonna reach my goal. Come on now. It's taking time, y'all. I wanna show you what time is it. Oops. Taking forever. 4:26 right now. 4:26. So we're gonna reach our goal. Excuse my mess, y'all. You guys, it's 5:30. You guys, have been waiting for one more offer before I go home. That is above $16, because right now I'm sitting on 184. So if I have an offer above $16, it's gonna put me on $200. So I kept waiting and the bad orders was coming in. So finally I received $14, 1 mile, and it's only shopping 1 item. I was like, I need to take you. There is no way that I'm gonna leave you. I am going to take you. So it's gonna put us on 198. So I am thinking, should I wait for another one? Should I just go home? Like, I'm missing $2. You know what? We will see when we drop this one. Yeah. First of all, I don't like when the customer is buying only 1 item, because when you're missing that 1 item, when you go in the store and you can't find that 1 item, then you miss the whole order, and like the whole order gonna be canceled. So this person is getting this, like this color, and when I check here down, they don't have this color. So I'm scared. If I cancel it, if I say I don't find it, they might end up canceling the order. So let me go see what's happening next. Yeah, so guess what? They bring me another color to choose from. So she ended up getting white. So I get to keep my order. I'm so happy. I get to keep my order, you guys. I was getting so mad of my $14. So let's go and check out, y'all. Okay, we are delivering the order, y'all. So I made up my mind. Ooh. So I'm going to give myself it's dark, y'all. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. So I'm going to give myself till 6:30. If I don't receive an order till 6:30, I'm gonna go home. So right now it's 6 o'clock. 6 o'clock. So let me wait for 6:30. If I don't receive an order, then I'm gonna call it a night, y'all. The day is over. The day is over, you guys. We reached our goal. I reached my goal. 216. 216, you guys. It's 6 right now. And the shift is over, you guys. So I finally got my last order, which I showed on my last clip. So I am home, about to go in, y'all. Thank you so much for watching, you guys. If you haven't subscribed, if you be watching my video and haven't subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe. Please go ahead and join this growing family. Don't forget to thumbs up. Don't forget to thumbs up, you guys. I love you guys. See you tomorrow.